AlcoTravel AI is the latest release in the AI software world, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, stay tuned because I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know. This new tool promises to change how we plan travel, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if it's a game changer for you. Now, before we dive in, I want to mention that you can try AlcoTravel AI completely free through the first link below. Make sure to check it out if you want hands-on experience. Let's talk about the first thing you need to know. AlcoTravel AI is designed to take the stress out of travel planning. Whether you're booking flights, finding accommodations, or exploring local experiences, this tool leverages AI to provide personalized recommendations based on your preferences, travel history, and even your budget. It's like having a personal travel assistant in your pocket. One of the standout features of AlcoTravel AI is its ability to instantly compare prices across a wide range of travel sites, saving you hours of research. It scans numerous options, from flights to hotels to activities, and presents you with the best deals in a matter of seconds. This saves you time and money, which is a huge benefit if you're someone who likes to maximize your budget. Another major feature is the AI's smart itineraries. AlcoTravel AI doesn't just give you a list of destinations, it curates an entire trip for you. Based on your preferences, whether you like adventure, culture, or relaxation, it suggests the best places to visit, what to do, and even when to visit. This level of personalization is a huge win for anyone who's tired of generic travel plans. What really sets AlcoTravel AI apart from the competition is its adaptive learning. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your travel style. It learns from past trips, refining its suggestions over time, so each new itinerary becomes more aligned with your preferences. If you're someone who travels frequently, this feature alone is a game changer. Let's talk about integration next. AlcoTravel AI seamlessly integrates with your calendar, helping you stay organized and on track. It can send you reminders for flight check-ins, hotel bookings, and even local events that might interest you, so you're never left scrambling to find your next activity. It's like having a travel concierge that works behind the scenes to make sure your trip goes smoothly. One of the coolest aspects of AlcoTravel AI is its ability to recommend hidden gems. Unlike traditional travel apps that only focus on well-known destinations, AlcoTravel uses AI to find off-the-beaten-path locations that are perfectly suited to your tastes. Whether you're looking for a secluded beach or a hidden historical site, this AI software can help you uncover places you might not have found otherwise. The final thing you need to know is how user-friendly AlcoTravel AI is. The interface is intuitive, and you don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so you can quickly start planning your next trip without getting bogged down by complicated menus or settings. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that I've tried hundreds of AI tools, and after using AlcoTravel AI, I found that it stands out in terms of both functionality and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just getting started, this software has the potential to make your travel planning a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable. If you're interested in trying AlcoTravel AI for yourself, don't forget to click the link in the description. And if you're looking for more AI recommendations, check out the description below for some of my top picks, all of which you can try for free after I've tested thousands of AI tools myself.